How to move files and folders. Moving files in TaxDome makes it simple to keep client documents organized and accessible. To get started, open your client's account and go to the Docs tab. Navigate to the folder where the files are stored. Select the documents you want to move by ticking the boxes on the left and then click the Move button. A menu will appear, allowing you to choose the destination folder or subfolder. If needed, you can move files to another client account or even create a new folder directly within the menu. Once you've selected the destination, click Move. Keep in mind that documents with pending actions, such as those locked to an invoice, awaiting approval, or requiring a signature, cannot be moved to folders with different access levels or to another client account. And that's it. Your files are now neatly organized in their new location.